Hi, Turnbull School. One of the things that I miss the most about being at school, besides seeing everybody, is being involved with sports and, in this case, games. So Miss Azar will have sent out an email to everybody, and our teachers will post it on Edmodo with an opportunity for each one of you to reply to an email request from me to join a Turnbull School in-house chess tournament, all done online. If that is something that you would like to do, please indicate so by email directly to me. I will make the teams and correspond with each one of you as to when the tournament will take place.